Hello guys, it is here again, and today it's time for the 24th day of 30 Days Stories Challenge. And in today's story, I would like to tell you something about TDD, Test-Driven Development, what it is and why you should write your code in this way. So let's start. We know that one of the form of ensuring quality of our code, ensuring the system stability, is writing unit tests. Unit tests check for us that our functionalities work the way that we want to work. They implement the business requirements, etc., etc. And when we write the tests after implementing the functionality, it's highly possible that we forget about some corner cases, or we write tests which will check of working our code, not the exact functionality and requirements. So one of the approach of the writing unit tests is that when we are starting the implementation from writing the test, then we have time to think what should be checked, how the functionality should be implemented, and we are writing this in a unit test. When we finish writing our unit test, we start to implement first version of our implementation. It should not be a really beautiful implementation, it has to work only. And when we make that our tests are checked, are passed, then we have a time for refactoring our code. So thanks to this, we are starting implementation from thinking about exact requirement about corner cases and how the functionality should look from the user point of view, and then we write the implementation of these requirements, and we can, thanks to this, often check that our implementation is good and it's related to business requirement. So it's really interesting approach in three steps. Again, that write tests, write first version of your code, and then refactor it to make the code better. And that's all. I think it's a really worthy approach to test it, to work with, work in this way. I know many programmers who are writing the tests before writing the exact code, and there are a lot of good opinions about this technique. So for today that's all. I hope you try to test your code before writing the exact code, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.